Welcome back to the Cyberman Show. Today, we delve into the fascinating story of Stuxnet, a sophisticated cyber weapon that targeted industrial systems. Stuxnet, discovered in 2010, was a highly complex computer worm that specifically targeted supervisory control and data acquisition in short SCADA systems. These systems are responsible for managing and controlling various industrial processes, including those found in nuclear power plants and manufacturing facilities. The target was Iran's nuclear plant in this case. Stuxnet utilized multiple attack vectors to infect its targets. It primarily spread through infected USB drives, taking advantage of the human tendency to share files and documents. The malware searched each infected PC for signs of Siemens Step 7 software, which industrial computers serving as PLCs use for automating and monitoring electromechanical equipment. Once an infected USB drive was plugged into a computer, Stuxnet would exploit 4 new zero-day vulnerabilities in the Windows operating system to gain elevated privileges and install itself silently. This made Stuxnet an unprecedented and highly sophisticated attack. One of the most remarkable aspects of Stuxnet was its ability to self-replicate and spread across networks, making it incredibly difficult to detect and contain. Stuxnet would search for other computers on the network, infect them, and then move on to the next target. The primary objective of Stuxnet was to disrupt Iran's nuclear program. It achieved this by targeting centrifuges used for uranium enrichment. Stuxnet would modify the speed of these centrifuges, causing them to malfunction and ultimately damaging Iran's nuclear infrastructure. To evade detection and removal, Stuxnet employed an advanced rootkit, a collection of tools and techniques used to gain persistent access to a compromised system. The rootkit would hide Stuxnet's presence by altering system files and processes, making it extremely difficult to detect and remove the malware. Stuxnet was widely believed to be a joint effort by the United States and Israel, as it required significant resources and expertise to develop. While both countries have never officially confirmed their involvement, the complexity and targeted nature of the attack strongly suggest a state-sponsored operation. Stuxnet's impact went beyond its immediate targets. It marked a turning point in the world of cyber warfare, showcasing the potential for cyber attacks to cause physical damage to critical infrastructure. Stuxnet prompted governments and organizations worldwide to reassess their cybersecurity strategies and invest heavily in the protection of industrial control systems. Thank you for watching. Please share to and keep learning.